Are you ready to dive into the world of programming languages? Programming languages are formal languages used to communicate instructions to a machine, such as a computer. Each language has its own syntax and semantics, allowing developers to create software, websites, and applications. The four languages we'll cover are Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Python is renowned for its simplicity and readability, making it an ideal language for beginners. Its versatility allows for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. With a vast library of resources, Python is a powerful tool for developers across various domains. JavaScript is the language of the web, enabling interactive and dynamic content on websites. It's essential for front-end and back-end web development, and its compatibility with all major browsers makes it indispensable for creating engaging user experiences. Java, known for its write once, run anywhere capability, is widely used in enterprise-level applications, mobile development, and large-scale systems. Its robustness, security features, and platform independence make it a top choice for many developers. C++ is a high-performance language commonly used in game development, system software, and performance-critical applications.